Warning to all Christian entrepreneurs, this is a game changer. Because if you think you have to dance on TikTok or show your face in order to make money online, this video might change your mind. Because one of my students, Jason, is now making up to $250 a day posting simple Christian content on Facebook. And before anyone gets weird about this, like the comments on my last video, no, we are not selling the gospel or charging for scripture. We are building faith-based theme pages that inspire people, reach millions, and monetize the traffic ethically. And today I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step. Now stay with me here because there's two methods, and method number 2 is where this really scales. If we haven't met yet, hey, I'm Angie, and I help everyday people build income streams using Facebook and print on demand without needing a huge audience or complicated tech. And right now, faith-based content is quietly exploding on Facebook. I have multiple coaching students in this niche, but Jason is the one who really leaned in. And the results have been absolutely wild, so let's go ahead and break this down. When you're scrolling Facebook, you've probably seen pages like Jesus Talks, Holy of Holy, various faith quote pages, and Christian news pages. What are they doing? It's actually very simple. They post their faith-related content, their news, and encourage Christians on a daily basis, multiple times per day throughout the day. And these posts routinely get tens of thousands of likes, thousands of shares, massive amounts of engagement, because people are extremely passionate about this topic, and it can also be a very polarizing topic. And here's what most people don't realize, and that is Facebook is actually paying these creators for that engagement through their content monetization program. Now, of course, results will always vary, and monetization is by invitation only. But Jason stayed consistent, and his page is now up to $250 in a day with income from the Facebook monetization program and also merch sales, which we'll get into in just a minute. But the main key is volume and consistency. So here's exactly what to do. Step 1, create a Facebook page, and I'm not talking about a profile page that is showing your face. I'm talking about a business page. Choose a clear faith-based name, add a clear profile photo, and this can be a logo, an AI person, or anything faith related. Add a very simple banner, and I like to use Canva for this because they have templates already built in that are simple to edit. And then start posting daily. So you are building what I call a theme page. And then we create content fast. And this is where most people overcomplicate it. You do not need to be sitting on your computer for hours. You can use free tools like ChatGPT and Canva. And for example, you can use ChatGPT to type something like, give me 20 encouraging faith-based posts about strength. And boom, ChatGPT spits out all of that content for you. Then in Canva, you can create simple quote graphics with just a clean background, super easy to read, and then post it. And inside my course, I've actually put together a ton of templates that are viral worthy, which Jason was able to tap into and make some simple edits to those. And then he was posting about 15 times per day. And just understand, consistency beats perfection every day of the week. And now this is optional, but highly recommended. I use a tool called Post Planner. So if you want to move a whole lot faster and condense the time that it takes to run this business, this tool helps find viral content, schedule posts, and spot trends. So I'm going to drop that resource for you down below with a free trial. But just know you can absolutely get started for free and without tools. Tools just make your life a lot easier. And now this is where the real money stacks. And creators are leaving so much money on the table by not tapping into this with their theme pages. Because yes, getting paid to post by Facebook is great. Their monetization program is amazing. People are out here crushing it, making thousands of dollars. But stacking income streams is what smart creators continue to do. And that is also what Jason is doing. And so before we get into this part, I just want to make it very clear that we are not selling scripture. We are actually selling inspirational merch, faith-based apparel, and encouraging products that people are already out here buying, which is a huge difference. So now let's go over to my laptop and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up step by step so there's no questions. But if you do have questions, feel free to drop them down below. And I create videos here every single week, so I'm happy to create new how-to videos to help you out. First, we're going to head over to Printify and set up a free account. I will have this linked for you down below. And then we go to the catalog and we can choose from thousands of different products. And in this case, since we are doing merch, we're going to click on t-shirts. The very first t-shirt right here, Comfort Colors 1717, is a bestseller, and I've had really great success with this particular t-shirt. It is very on trend, so let's click on that. And then we can choose from Printify choice for fulfillment or choose manually. And we have several different options here, and I usually will either go with Monster Digital or Swift POD. I have actually gotten products from all three of these, and they're all really great quality. Just note the price differences. So Monster Digital starts at $12.79 for the wholesale price of the t-shirt. Dimona T starts at $17 and Swift POD starts at $15. And then once we select our provider, we can click Start Designing. You can see the print area size is 4200 by 4800 pixels. And so that is the size that we would put in our Canva template. So let's pop over to Canva. So we can click on Create a Design and the custom size, as we mentioned, 4200 by 4800 pixels, create new design. So here is our template ready to go. And I have popped over to Etsy just to take a look at some of the competition. And to do that, I just typed in faith-based apparel, and we can just scroll through, look at all of the bestseller, the popular now, and see literally how simple these designs truly are. We can take some inspiration and then create something of our own, and simple text-based designs sell really well. So let's just go ahead and add some text. All right, so inside of Canva, I just went ahead and added text, and I changed the color to white and the font to Anton, and then I added a second line and made that font Helimum, and then I also added a simple cross element to the end here. And now in the top right, we are going to go ahead and download this with a transparent background and as a PNG. Then we come back over to Printify and we're going to upload our design. On the right hand side, you can select all the colors that you want to include in your listing. Then we're just going to position this and make sure it looks correct. And then at the top right, we can preview it. And so this is what it's going to look like on a shirt. Printify provides you with some mock-ups, and you can use those mock-ups as is, or you can create your own. I often like to purchase mock-ups from Etsy. And so if you purchase a mock-up like this from Etsy, then you can just add the design. You can shrink it down a bit and just make sure that it is properly positioned so that it looks like it is a part of the shirt. And then you can easily add this to your Etsy listing so it looks like a really nice shirt. And as you can see, it is the Comfort Color shirt in the photo that we're adding the design to. All right, so we can just go ahead and select all of the colors that we would like to include for our listing here, and then save the product. All right, and once it's saved, you can view all the mock-ups and edit the ones that you want to include. And I can upload my own here. I'm going to upload the one that I made in Canva. And then we can use this optimize listing button right here in order to have AI write our title, description, and tags. So click that. And I typed in a title from another popular now bestseller shirt on Etsy. We're going to click generate, and we can apply that to the listing. And so now it has written that all out for us. And then here is where we can edit the price and the profit margin that you earn on the shirt. And so when you do the price, you can edit it by the price the customer pays or by the profit margin. And then it will update all of the variants. And so we have our pricing then listed there. And then we can go ahead and publish this to our store. You can publish this to an Etsy store or a Printify pop-up shop. Just keep in mind it's 20 cents to list an item on Etsy, and that is every several months that is renewed at that price. Or you can do it on a pop-up shop 100% free. Now the difference is if you do a pop-up shop, you're going to need to get all of your own customers, and if you have a theme page, then that's perfect. If you don't have a theme page, then you want to do Etsy because you're going to get customers from the Etsy marketplace. My personal recommendation is that you do Etsy anyway, so you can tap into the theme page and the Etsy buyers, and so you have two ways to get traffic to your store. So now that is publishing it, and we are almost set to sell. So this is what it looks like in a pop-up shop, and it's ready to be shared on a theme page. And I always recommend doing a lifestyle content on a theme theme page. So you can either put this on an AI model or purchase a sample for yourself, take some pictures of yourself for your theme page, and write up a story to go along with it, and then drop the link to your listing in the comments, not in the actual post. You never want to do this in a salesy kind of way. You always want to do it in an incorporated into a lifestyle type of way, and that is how the sales come. I have lots of other videos on how to get sales on Facebook on my YouTube channel, so make sure that you're subscribed and be sure to hit my playlist. So let's talk more about this stacking strategy, because Jason didn't rely on Etsy alone. He started building the audience first on Facebook, and now Facebook pays him for the engagement. He has a store on Etsy, and his audience on Facebook and the customers on Etsy buy his merch. So the theme page becomes your base of income by posting, and then you have your traffic source, a warm audience, and a very long-term asset. And now I want to set you up for realistic expectations, because this is not overnight money. A lot of people are out here searching for those get-rich-quick schemes, which really do not exist. So Facebook monetization is by invitation only, and the amount that you earn is going to vary by creator. And it requires a massive amount of daily consistency. Some of my students have been monetized in as soon as 30 days, some it took 6 months, but the ones who win understand this is not a hobby, it is a business, and they treat it as such. And they understand it's not a question of if, but when, if they're willing to show up and put in the work every single day. It is a proven business model that has a track record of success. You follow the simple steps and everyone moves at a different pace, right? Everyone brings different skills, experience levels to the table. So some people move faster and some people move slower depending on what they bring to the table. I always like to use the analogy of basketball players. So let's say that you go to try out for the NBA and you're trying out next to Michael Jordan. He's put in the work, he's put in the time, he's put in the reps to get better, practicing every single day. So of course, you are not going to be on the same skill level as him. But over time, if you get yourself a coach, if you show up every single day, you put in the reps, you practice, you get better, you refine, eventually you're going to be much better at the game of basketball than someone who is just now getting started and has zero experience. And it works exactly the same way with online business. If you've never done anything online before, you really have no skills, nothing to work off of. But if you've tried some things, you've worked with some coaches, you've got a basic understanding, when you go through a new course, you're leveling up on those skills that you already built, and you can maybe move faster than someone who has never tried anything. So always keep that in mind when you're looking at success stories and testimonials online. Not everyone starts in the same place. But if you're serious about building this, I would love to encourage you to just take the first step in faith, where you don't have to see the entire staircase to get started. Just take the first step. So down below in the description box, you're going to find all of my best resources to help you get started. You can join Printify 100% free. I have tons of free step-by-step tutorials here on my YouTube channel to get you started. And when you're ready for that next level and more support and to take it seriously like Jason did, I would love to invite you into my full course and a live coaching community, where we have a Facebook group. We answer questions all day long in there. All of my students are participating. The energy is off the charts. And then we go live, we answer your questions, and we do demos of what's working right now. So all of that is linked down below. And if this video helped you, be sure to drop the word faith in the comments so I know you made it all the way through. And I'll see you in the next one.